Good day. In this video, we are going to try and solve question 1B, part 1 and 2 of the 2022 NCEA Level 2 Apply Algebraic Methods in Solving Problem paper number 91261. Without further ado, let's try to solve 1B, part 1 first. The question is, factorize completely 6x cubed y minus 15x squared square root of y. So this is a straightforward factorized question, but we have the problem of a square root in this question. And the meaning of factorize is to put the expression into bracket. So very simple, we are going to put square root y in terms of power. So this expression becomes 6x cubed y minus 15x squared y to the power of half, because square root of y is power of half. So now what we're going to do, we are going to look at the numbers 6 and 15. What are the factors of 6 and 15? The factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. And the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. So we are going to take the highest common factor. The highest common factor is 3. And then we are going to take it out. So it's going to be 3. Okay. In terms of x squared and x cubed, we take the lowest of the two x power. So in this case, it's x squared. So we're going to put x squared. Similarly, for y and y half, the lower of the two power is going to be y to the power of half. Okay, once we have done that, we're going to put a bracket, and then we're going to divide that number with that number. So 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2. X cubed divided by x squared is going to be x. Y divided by y half, or you minus the power, is going to be y to the power of half. And then on the second expression, 15 divided by 3 is going to be 5. X squared and x squared will be 1. Y half divided by y half is 1. So that's going to be the answer. So if you want to put in a square root form, you're going to be 3x squared square root of y bracket 2x square root of y minus 5, because y half is the square root of y. So if you can do that, that's a merit in this paper. Okay, let's do part 2 now. Part 2 is a very common question, but I'm surprised this is only an achieved question. Okay, so the question is simplify fully 6x squared minus x minus 12 3x squared over 3x squared minus 5x minus 12. Okay, there's a tendency for students to just cancel this way, which is not right. So whenever you have an algebraic fraction, the idea is always to factorize the top, the numerator, and factorize the denominator, and then you're going to cancel out the common factor. So now we are going to factorize 6x squared minus x minus 12. So this looks like this. There's going to be 2x and 3x, that's the factors of 6. There are many other possibilities. I've done this beforehand, so it should be straightforward. And then for 12, I'm going to put minus 3 and plus 4. Then you're going to do the cross multiply, or also called the x method. So 3x times minus 3 is minus 9x. 2x times 4 is going to be plus 8x. And then you plus them up together, and then you're going to be minus x. This is what in the middle here. So that expression is going to be simplified to 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 4. If you're not sure about this method, you can use any other method, but the main thing is you are going to factorize the numerator, and now we're going to factorize the denominator. Okay, the denominator is 3x squared minus 5x minus 12. So I have done beforehand, it's going to be 3x and x. And then we will cross multiply, and it's going to be plus 4 and minus 3. So we're going to check it. So x times 4 is going to be 4x. 3x times minus 3 is minus 9x. And then you're going to add them up together. You're going to be minus 5x. And that's what in the middle of the value. Okay. So that equation is going to be, the second expression is going to be 3x plus 4. And the next one is x minus 3. So now you have to cancel out whatever is common. In this case, 3x plus 4 appears both in the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel them out. So the final answer is going to be 2x minus 3 at the numerator, and the denominator is x minus 3. And I said before, this is quite a lengthy problem, but it's only worth and achieved in a marking schedule. So hope you go through question 1B again, part 1 and part 2, and you can get that both right. You get a merit because part 1 is a merit and part 2 is an achieve. So watch out for the next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers everyone, have a good day.